vote poll is we're voting to see what's the best Transformers movie in the community. Bless you. That was so loud.
Sorry.
Fine. I want to fill that space for you. So, Daniel, you scared Fire Brothers.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
What?
You just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Yeah, I am serious.
Daniel is practicing for the horror short. I was distracted and then I heard it out of nowhere. Daniel is our nightmare dream now. I voted DOTM, now let me eat free. Bro, that scared me too. Daniel scared everyone.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
We should make memes about me now.
Give us the Daniel memes. Thank you, Malika.
Das ist echt kacke. Ich würde das lieber gerne mit dem Joystick. Nein, 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 nein. Vergiss es, nein.
One.
Just pulled this out of my asshole, I guess. Good lord. This game is just absolute. Of every horror game I have ever played, none of them have genuinely startled me until now. That was the bottom of the nutsack barrel jump scare. The absolute epitome of bad jump scares. Just ambushed by a chupacabra with a split second of a loud noise and it made me jump in my fucking seat.
Kill track 5205 the code.
Target acquired. Killing track
2, 1, fire.